Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. So today I just wanted to sit down and do some makeup. Like I feel it has been a long time since I sat down and did my makeup. Like of course मैंने अपना makeup बहुत बारी इस बीच में किया है, but those were not like colorful makeup and मुझे colorful makeup करने का बहुत दिन से मन कर रहा था. So I thought, you know what, let's just do it today. I have a few makeup products that are new to me and I wanted to try it out. So I'm sitting down with them, so I'll just use a mix of my old makeup, my new makeup and create something beautiful. मेरे दिमाग में कोई भी वैसा look नहीं है. I just know that I want to do a purple look today, but उसके अलावा I don't know anything कि मुझे क्या करना है. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's just get started with the video. So first things first, I'm going to prime my face and I have this Blue Heaven Flawless Makeup Base Primer. और ये I guess इनका new launch है, so I'm going to try this one out. This is how it looks from the inside. I'm just going to take a little bit of it. This is a silicone based primer और ये claim करता है that it will fill in your pores and fine lines and will give you a silky matte finish. So I'll just apply it on the areas where I have large pores. So I have this primer applied and I did see a little bit reduction in my pores, like एकदम गायब ही नहीं हो गया है ये. But yeah, it did mattify my skin and it feels really soft. So yeah, now I should apply my foundation. I do not have a new foundation. Like I had a new foundation, but it was not a good match for me. So I'll not be using it. But instead I'm going for the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. This is in the shade 09 Desert Honey. And I have a new beauty blender and this is by Cal Los Angeles. This is how it looks. I'll just go and wet this. This is how it looks dry, or yeah, I have dampened my sponge and it feels really soft and squishy. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the foundation and dot it all over my face. So it's blending in pretty quickly. I do not see any bounce marks, which is a good thing. So after my foundation मैं use करने वाली हूँ ये Swiss Beauty का liquid concealer and this is in the shade 04 medium beige. मैं इसको अपने under eyes के नीचे थोड़ा सा लगाऊंगी and also like around my mouth. This concealer blended in really quickly. It has a medium to full coverage, which I like. This concealer is not too highlighting for me, but yeah, it's okay, it's fine. Then next I'm going to set my face using some powder. Again I have this Blue Heaven Flawless Finishing Powder. ये भी उनका नया लॉन्च है और मेरे पास जो शेड है that is blush. I guess it will have more cool tones to it. This is how it looks from the inside and they also come with a powder puff, so if you want you can use that. I'm just going to use my brush just of the excess. So this powder is not very chalky and it's not clinging into my concealer and everything, which is a good thing. But I would say कि इसका जो fragrance है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा strong talcum powder जैसा है and it's very overpowering, जो कि मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. Although ये थोड़ी देर में उसका fragrance चला जा रहा है, but still. So now for highlighting and blushing, I have this Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette. This is how it looks, and I also have the Blue Heaven Signature Professional Radiant Blusher Palette. This is how this one looks. मैं आपको दोनों अंदर से दिखा दूँ कैसी लगती है ये. इसका जो शेड है that is 03 और Blue Heaven का जो शेड है that is 04. इसमें बस ब्लश शेड्स हैं, whereas इसमें आपको हाइलाइटर और ब्रॉन्जर दोनों मिल जाता है. So I think I will be using this palette today. So to contour my face and make it look more chiseled, I'm going to pick this shade from right here and hope it matches me. So yes, it does. Yes, it does show up on my skin. ये थोड़ा cool tone shade है, so that is why I'm going to contour my face using this, and that is why I'm just concentrating it on some parts of my face rather than just applying it roughly. Next I'm going to bronze up using this shade. इसमें हल्का सा शिमर भी है, so let's see how it performs. मैं इसे अपने ब्रॉन्जर के ऊपर लगाऊंगी with a more fluffy brush like so. This will just add a little bit more warmth and color to my face. Then for my blush, I think I'm going to take this shade from right here. This palette is really very pigmented, so you don't need to use a lot of the products. I applied my blush on my cheeks, my temples, a little bit on the corners of my eyes and on my nose. Then I'm going to highlight. I'll be using this shade from right here, or oh my god, this highlighter is also very pigmented. ये बहुत ही सुंदर कलर है. Like pan में तो ये silver दिख रहा है, but ये golden कलर का है and it has a very very beautiful reflex. Medium skin tones पे ये बहुत सुंदर लगने वाला है. And मैं इस palette के बारे में बोलूँगी that they are really good. They are finely milled. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि आपको chunky glitter मिल जाएगा. No, all of them are very fine. The blush and the bronzers were nice, but हाँ मैं highlighter के बारे में बोलूँगी that it does exaggerate your texture a little bit. So before we move on to our eyeshadow, I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer, and I have this in the shade grey. इसमें spoolie तो नहीं है, but it has this triangular tip, which is very convenient to do your eyebrows. So I'm just going to quickly do it. So these eyebrow pencils are not very pigmented, which is good if you're aiming for that natural looking eyebrows. और ये ना ही ज़्यादा creamy और ना ही ज़्यादा hard है, so it transports through your eyebrows very very quickly and nicely. I quite like it, but I would have really appreciated a spoolie with this eyebrow pencil. Then I'm going to use my Essence eyebrow gel. ये मेरे लिए नया नहीं है, but yeah, I really like this. ये आपके brows को set कर देता है and makes it look more voluminous. For my eyeshadow, I have this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. I have this in the shade 06. This is how it looks from the inside. I really like the shades. I will be using this for transition today, but I will also be using my Revolution Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette, which looks like this, because I want to do something colorful, so I think this palette would really help me. मैं first of all use करने वाली हूँ ये Swiss Beauty का eyeshadow palette, and I think I'm going to pick this shade from right here. Just dusting off the excess, and I'm going to apply it as my transition. But हाँ, इसका pigmentation भी काफ़ी अच्छा आ रहा है. Just deepening it a bit. मुझे ये भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है if I want to do a full cut crease, half cut crease, no cut crease, hollow eyes. Like I'm confused. I'm very confused. Then I'm going to take this shade from here. ये एक dark chocolatey brown है, very pigmented, और मैं इसे अपने outer corners पे लगाऊंगी. और मैं I think I'll go for a hollow eyes. मैं इसको अंदर भी लगा रही हूँ. Then I'm just going to take another clean brush और blend it all out. पैन में थोड़ा kickback है इस palette में, but I do not see any fallouts even with the darker shades, which is great. So yes, then I'm going to switch to this palette, और मैं ये plum shade लेने वाली हूँ यहाँ से, जिसका नाम है Wifey. और again I'm going to take it on a pencil brush. Then I'm going to finally take this color from right here, जिसका नाम है Reckless, और I will add more layers to this halo. Then for some glitter, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. जो मेरे पास shade है वो है 01, और मैंने ये palette actually बहुत पहले खरीदा था, but I did not get the time to use it, तो मैंने इसको अभी तक use नहीं किया है. It is as it is, and so I think I will be using this shade. थोड़ा सा इसको वार्म करना पड़ रहा है, so हाँ, now it's coming. तो मैं इसको अपने आईज के बीच में लगा लूँगी. Not bad, I mean this also looks good. I'm going to take a flat shader brush और मैं इसको थोड़ा और better करूँगी. मैं फिर से एक बार ये शेड Wifey लेने वाली हूँ, और then I'm also going to take the shade Reckless और थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिफाई करूँगी. I think मुझे इसको थोड़ा और डीपन करने का मन कर रहा है, तो I'm going to take this shade यहाँ से, और मैं इसको अपने outer corners पे लगा रही हूँ. So this is how my eyes looks right now. ये थोड़ा कवर हो गया पर्पल आई शेडो से एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ लुकिंग डार्क, बट मतलब लुक एट इट, इट लुक्स bomb.com। मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है ये आई लुक। अभी बस मेरा लोअर लैश लाइन बाकी है, सो आई अगेन यूज़ दिस शेड वाइफी और मैं इसको लोअर लैश लाइन पर लगा लूँगी। ये शेड भी लेने वाली हूँ विच इज़ अ ग्रेइश ब्राउन शेड। And for my mascara I'm going to take this Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara। ये भी उनका न्यू लॉन्च है, सो मैं इसे ट्राई करूँगी और मैं इसे अपने आई लैशेस पे लगा के देखती हूँ कि कैसा है ये मस्करा। ओके, सो अबाउट दिस मस्करा आई वुड से कि ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटेंस ब्लैक नहीं है, सो इट्स गुड फॉर एवरी डे। ये लेंदिंग और सेपरेटिंग है, बट इट डज़ नॉट एड इवन अ लिटिल बिट वॉल्यूम टू योर हेयर। So this is how my eyes looks right now। ज़्यादा कुछ इसने किया नहीं है। Then I would apply some false lashes and be right back। So I'm just going to quickly take some highlighter and highlight my inner corners and my brow bone। For my lipstick I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick। This is in the shade Peach Rose। Now this lipstick is not something new for me, मतलब I have already tried this formula, but this shade is something which I bought off lately, or let's see if it suits me and suits this look। I don't think it does। No, it's gonna wash me out really bad। So for my lipstick I'm going to use this NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic। और मैं इसको yes, this is well। Now I finally have the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, or I'm just going to apply it on my face। It has a very strong fragrance to it, or like it smells almost perfumey। इसका स्प्रे जो है वो काफ़ी फाइन है, लेकिन पहले दूसरे स्प्रे में it was coming a little blotchy। Yes, that's it। This is how makeup has turned out। So yes, that will be it for my today's video। मुझे उम्मीद है ये look और ये video आपको पसंद आया होगा। It was a very random video, but I had this look in my mind since a very long time। You can also follow me on Instagram। The link to that will be mentioned in my description box below। और मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अपना next video में। Until then, take care, bye।